think this is the one. This is a really good property. I think I want to move forward and make an offer.
Yeah, I think I can negotiate a really strong deal for you. Let's do it.
Man, you know what? I heard there's these new rules where I don't have to pay a commission to the buyer's agent. So I think what I want to do is just I'll pay you an hourly rate of $20 an hour for all the work that you do.
You know what? I typically don't do that, but I'm going to do it for you. Hey, how's my favorite buyer?
How's it going, man?
We did it.
Yes.
All right. So maybe after this, we can celebrate, go get a drink, get some food, hang out.
Oh, I can't wait.
We're going to talk about closing, but let's just go through our $20 rate that we agreed on.
Okay.
Cool. All right. So $20 an hour. We had 255 text messages. 2 of them were at 2 in the morning. I actually reduced that one. And then I drove 365 miles back and forth to 32 homes. During that time, I worked through 5 lunch breaks. Remember we did that together?
Whoa.
I had the Chick-fil-A in there.
I have to pay for your Chick-fil-A?
Yeah, I got to eat too, right?
Oh my gosh.
It is probably easier for me to give you the total. We're looking at 18,600 and decimal 256.
What?
Yeah.
That's more money than the commission would have cost. Can we just go back to the commission?
We agreed on the $20 an hour.